So today is kind of a whirlwind. We've got sheetrock crews here, we've got the finishing crews here, we're going to be moving some boulders, and we also have the siding guys back tackling the underneath, so you're going to see us jumping around all over the place today. Look at how beautiful this is underneath. This is going to make a great living area, really nice space for us. These guys have knocked it out today. I'm sure tomorrow they'll be back. They're going to start on the guest house bottom. We're going to do that burnt umber color, but they have just done a tremendous job. We're going to get the painters in here. They're going to caulk everything, seal everything up. It really came together looking good. So once again tomorrow, we're going to have just a bunch of things going on, so hang in there. I told you these guys were fast. I know it's because the boss is on the site. Now these guys are great, and they are very fast. I want you to see, they've only been here for probably, what, 35 minutes, and they've already completed the underneath. Now this is the underneath of the guest house, which is definitely smaller, but still, it would have taken me 3 weeks to get that accomplished. So it's very cool. So very proud of them. They're doing a great job. David Wood, the landscape division, came through for us again. He has brought us about 7 or 8 really large boulders, and I'm going to be placing them strategically on either side of the driveway because we do have a pretty big drop-off, and I believe that these boulders are big enough that it'll stop a car from going over the edge should we have somebody that's a little squirrely at driving. So here we go. Okay, well, one thing I don't want to do is let this big boulder go rolling down that big hill. So I am gonna use the forks of the Vermeer just as a rest, and then I'm gonna use this pry bar to kind of scoot it into place. I think I feel a little better than that because I'm not the best operator of that machine. Now it's time for a test drive. Plenty of room, no problem. So we got a busy day today. We set the boulder wall earlier. I set boulders out by the road so nobody goes careening off the cliff. I put a couple boulders up by the creek, but now we're gonna switch gears and we're gonna go over and watch the guys install the last bit of siding up underneath the overhang. That way we can put that chapter behind us, and we will get that painted, that umber rust color, Sherwin-Williams umber rust, and it'll be a neat completion to that part of the build.